Here's how to send a calendar invite in Gmail in 2026. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Now, in the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the 9 dots. From the list, select Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, click the Create button at the top left. Choose Event, then enter the event title, date, and time. On the right side, click Add Guests. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. They will receive an email invitation automatically. Once everything looks correct, click Save. When prompted, choose Send to notify your guests. And that's it. Your calendar invite has been sent through Gmail using Google Calendar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Gmail guides.